Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with Constant Contact, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Constant Contact account. If you don't have an account, visit the Constant Contact website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Campaigns tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Select the type of campaign you want to run. Email campaigns are a great starting point. Choose a template that fits your brand and the message you want to convey. Customize your template by adding your logo, images, and relevant content. Make sure to include a strong subject line to grab your audience's attention. Craft your email content with a clear call to action. Use personalizations, like including the recipient's name, to enhance engagement. Preview your email to see how it appears on both desktop and mobile devices. Test your email by sending it to yourself or a colleague. After testing, return to the campaign page and select your target audience. Consider segmenting your audience for more tailored communication. Schedule your email for a specific date and time or send it immediately. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Analytics dashboard. Review key metrics, such as open rates and click-through rates, to evaluate success. Make note of any insights you gather for future campaigns. Use these strategies to continuously refine your email marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.